So we have these special screwdrivers for things like this. They're super small and you can get them right in there, and they twist. But what's cool about them, I'm going to show you, is that the heads spin. All right, so when you put it into the screw right here, and when they're really small like this, what you can do is hold the top and just twist this bottom. See how that works? And here's the cool thing about it. Look. All right, so look, check it out. Magnetic. So if you drop your screw, bam, you will be able to pick it up. So that's how these work. All right, so these hands are not moving properly on this clock. So I unscrewed all of these using this, right? I just went lefty-loosey, lefty-loosey, lefty-loosey. Oh, that one's still on there. Oops. Doesn't want to come out, does it? Once I got them all unscrewed, I got to put my hand here and let that drop out, just like that. And then, got to be careful because I don't want to lose the screws. I'm just going to flip this over very gingerly, like that. And some of the screws are going to fall out. Flip it over, and now we can pull this faceplate out, which is, it's glass, so be careful. So if you look down here, let me point to it. You're going to see there's 1, 2, and 3 different little areas where you push these hands on, and they both turn at different intervals, you see? And then these, we've got to pull forward. I don't know if we can fix them or not. But I've got to get this back on its thing. Like it's got to set on this piece here. So I'm pushing it down. And this one I think is good. So now, we got to see what time it is. It's 10. So I'm going to see if I can move it to 10. Make sure it's still on there. And then this is at 10:30. I think that one's still on there too. I think we might have fixed it. We have to wait and see. So we got to give it like a half hour to see if it comes back up here. I think we should be good. You just got to make sure your second hand that's clicking right there can pass over this, because sometimes it gets caught on that. So we're going to wait and see if that does that. So it's getting close. We got 5 seconds. Cross your fingers. Is it going to hit it? Oh, it made it. Went right over. Okay, it looks like we're good. All right, so I just realized that this is broken. These actually are broken off of here because when it fell, it must have. So I've got this one and this one that I can put in. And I know that if we do those two, it should be good. And I don't think I need the glass on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try putting this back in like this. Just got to kind of match it up. And I don't want to grab this mechanism here because that screws up the hand. So you want to keep that where it's at. And then we just got to get this in. If we can get this in, we'll be fine. And then I can put some tape on it to keep it in there. I just got to find that little hole. So if I can get this one in and I can get that one in, we should be fine. So let me get my other screw here. Yeah, done. And then I'm going to put some duct tape or some type of tape just to hold this in.
Sometime.
I think that'll work right like that. And that'll keep this in. And more right up top here. Just like that. That should hold it. Now we can go ahead and put it on there. Hopefully it won't fall. All right, so now we just got to put it back up on the ceiling. And we can get to the second hands and fix it. I took the glass out because I didn't think we needed it. So here we are. And that's where I want to hang it. So I've got to get it right on that little thing there. And to do that, I will need to hold it from the bottom. And this, just got to get it up on there. All right, I think that might be it. I think we did it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos where I show you clocks and stuff like this. Peace out.